Hello everyone, Selena Sensei once again and again. I'm loving this introduction. Well, in this vlog, we're going to do a kanji practice test again. Yesterday, I uploaded one, and this is to be a continuation. I think it would be better to do this frequently for you to remember the kanji and be prepared for the exam on July, JLPT N4 exam. There are comments that they got a perfect score in the first kanji test for 2025, and that's good. There are those who said that it is easy, and I think that's also good. The most important thing is for you to remember the kanji and its meaning and have it stick in your mind so that you won't be confused when you meet that word or kanji. So, with no further ado, let's do it. Okay, let me read the instruction. It's always the same anyway. Mondai 1. 合成の言葉はひらがなでどう書きますか ?1234 から一番いいものを一つ選んでください。So you're just going to choose the reading of the underlined word in kanji. Okay, here we go. 昨日 underline で火事がありました。火事 means fire. I'm very kind. That's a hint. Okay. Choices are 近く、遠く、太く、遅く。Okay. Give it time. Alright. The answer is 近く. So this is 近くで, which means nearby. Okay. 昨日, yesterday, there was a fire nearby. So this is nearby. Okay, 近く. The base form is 近い, which is an adjective, and it means close and near. And so you omit e and replace it with ku plus de to express the word nearby. Okay? Okay, let's move to number 2. 山下さんは underline が話せます。山下さんはが話せます。何が話せますか? Okay. Choices are 英語、英語、英語、英語。Alright. Okay, the answer is 英語, which means English, right? So, Yamashita-san can speak English. Okay? Hanasu is the dictionary form, and this hanasemasu is potential form, which means ability, or in short, he can do. Okay, he can speak English. So the dictionary form is hanasu. You take away su and change it to se, e sound. Okay, hanasemasu. Okay, I hope that is clear. 3番この答えを underline ください。この答えを underline ください。教えて、覚えて、考えて、変えて。Okay? Leave time. Okay, the answer is 考えて. Please think. Please think about the answer. この答えを this answer 考えてください. Please think. Okay, so please think about this answer. 教えて is teach. 覚えて is to remember. 変えて could mean to change. Okay, I hope that is clear. Okay. We're now in number 4. Underline を旅行したいです。を旅行したいです。何がしたいですか? Okay, choices are 正解、世界、正解、正解. Okay, the answer is number 4, 正解. So the sentence says 世界を旅行したいです. I want to travel the world. Okay, I want to travel the world. 世界中 is around the world. So I hope that is clear. Okay, number 5. 時間がありませんから underline ください。時間がありませんから underline ください。Choices are 歩いで、急いで、遅いで、せいで。Okay, the answer is 急いで、急いで。Please hurry. Hurry up. Why? Because there's no time. There's no much time. 時間 is time and there's no time. And so, please hurry. There's no such word as 歩いで. 歩いて is the right word. To walk. Okay? 急いで、遅いで. There's no such as this and this. Okay? So please don't be confused. So it's 急いで. And the dictionary form is 急ぐ. Okay? To hurry. 6番。試験のを間違えました。試験のを間違えました。Choices are 教室、教師、教室、教室。Okay? Is it confusing? Okay, the answer is 教室。ね？教室。So we have, if we break down this kanji, we have 教える and 室 for room. Okay, so it's classroom. It means classroom. So I made a mistake. 間違えました。In the test classroom or the venue for the exam. I made a mistake. Okay, I hope that is clear. Now in number 7, but before that, let me do this shout out. Shout out to my Filipino subscribers from Nepal, Sri Lanka, America, Vietnam, Thai, and a lot more. We're global, so 一緒に頑張りましょう. Stay tuned. 7番、山本さんはコンビニのです。山本さんはコンビニのです。What is he? Okay. 店長、店員、社員、社長. These are people. That's a big hint. Okay. The answer is 店員、2番ですね。A sales clerk or a person at the store. So, 店 is お店、store. And in is a person. So this person is a sales clerk. And we have here Tencho, the manager of that store. So we have Ten-in, sales clerk. Sha-in, office worker. Sha-cho, company president. In tells us the profession of that person. So Yamamoto-san wa is a convenience store sales clerk. Okay, convenience store. 8番。私のは25歳です。私のは25歳です。So what is this? 妹、兄、姉、弟。Okay, this is 姉. Don't be confused with 妹. The kanji for 妹 is this. So this is 姉. 姉 is a combination of onna and she, city. So woman and city. So keep it in mind so that you won't confuse it with the kanji of imoto. Okay, here we go to number 9. 友達がカバンをくれました。友達がカバンをくれました。Okay, this might be confusing. Okay, the answer is 作って。So here we go. 友達が so my friend. Okay, カバンを作ってくれました。So we have てくれる here. Okay, so my friend made a bag for me. The complete sentence could be like this. So, watashi ni. This is for me. Okay, 私に and this was omitted. So 友達が私にカバンを作ってくれました。My friend made a bag for me. So we use くれました。てくれる。てくれる。Form of grammar. くれる。Okay? Many are confused with this. てくれる、てもらう、てあげる。Somebody is doing something for you. Okay? And when we use てくれる, the receiver is me. And the giver comes first in the sentence. Okay? So the giver, 私に, the receiver, and then the object and the verb in te form plus くれる. Okay? I'll explain this again in our grammar tutorial. So in English sentence, it goes like this. My friend made a bag for me. Okay? So made a bag for me. 作ってくれました。私のために. He gave it to me. Okay? Is it confusing? Just rewind and listen again to the explanation. We're now in Mondai ni. We're done with Mondai ichi. And Mondai ni, we're going to just choose the right kanji for the underlined word in hiragana. Okay, let's go. I'm excited. Okay, 10番。あの人は悪い人ではありません。あの人は悪い人ではありません。So what is the kanji for 悪い? Okay, the answer is this. 悪いね。That person is not a bad person. Okay, he's not a bad person. And so we have 悪い here. There's no, where does this? This is omoi, which means heavy. Not this one. Okay, I hope that is clear. 11番。明日7時に起きるつもりです。明日7時に起きるつもりです。What is 起きる? Wake up, right? Which one is the kanji? Okay, this is the kanji for 起きる. So we have here, tomorrow at 7 o'clock, I intend, so we have a grammar point here, I intend to wake up. Okay, this is the kanji for hashiru with no ki. Okay, hashiru. Not this one. Okay, this is for kiru, to wear. 12番。ペンを貸してください。ペンを貸してください。Okay. Okay, the answer is this. Kasu is the dictionary form. So the te form is kashite, which means please lend me a pen, a ball pen. This is the kanji for kariru, which means to borrow. And there's no shi, it's karite. Okay. This is kau, which means to buy, and there's no shi. It's katte, ne? Katte kudasai. Please buy. And motte, okay, there's no shi. It's chisai tsu, small tsu. Motte. So kashite, the dictionary form is kasu. So to make it to te form, you change su to she. Okay, so it's kashite. Please lend me. 13番。切手を買ってきてください。切手を買ってきてください。So please buy and come. Okay, and what is that? 切手。Okay, 2番ですね。切手 means stamp. So please go and buy stamp. So 買ってきて。So this is te kuru form of a verb, which means go and come back. Go there, do something, and come back. So in this case, please go and buy stamp. I hope that is clear. 14番。何か質問はありませんか？何か質問はありませんか？ Okay, don't be confused. This is Shitsumon. Okay, so we have Shitsu and Mon for Mondai, which is a problem or inquiry, and question. So Shitsumon, this means question. Do you have any question? So nanika, do you have any? Do you have any question? Okay, so this is the kanji for question, Shitsumon. Don't mistake Mon for this kanji. This means gate. Okay, and this is kan, aida, in between, and for jikan or time, and this is akeru. Okay, so just remember this. Mon for mondai, so Shitsumon. All right, I hope you won't be confused. Last sentence, are you still there? I'm making the explanation as simple as possible, and I know you're getting it. Okay, 昨日は夜8時に寝ました。昨日は夜8時に寝ました。What is 夜? Okay, this one, 夜. Okay, so this is hiru, noon, asa, morning, and this is incomplete. You can put rui for akarui, okay? Bright and other word, or you combine this with hi to make it ashita, tomorrow. So this is not the one. So just remember the kanji. Okay, we're done with 15 sentences. And what is your score? Just tell me later. Okay, we'll do this again. So please stay tuned until the end, and thank you for watching. For those who are new to my channel, please subscribe and share. Okay, you'll see me again and again. Bye.